Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tita Wati. My license ID number 095. So this video I wanna explain our material about language perception in the view of psycholinguistic. The first is language perception. Language perceptions is our main attempt to understand the meaning of the language elements, word, phrases, sentence, and discourse that we hear or receive. This phoneme or process are term research used to describe what our brains do in attempt to understand speech. The first is recognition, identification, discrimination. Your brain must be able to recognize what you hear. For example, recognition that the sound coffee is a word. Second is word recognition. The brain must understand what the word means. For example, when you hear the word hungry, you immediately know its meaning. The third is speech signal segmentation. Your brain separates long sound into meaningful units: words, syllables, intonation, and stress, to facilitate comprehension. And four is understanding and comprehension. Once all the words and unit are recognized, the brain assembles them into a coherent whole. And the last is judgment of similarities in meaning. This is the brain's ability to compare two sentences that are worded differently but have the same meaning. For example, "you're full" means the same as "you don't need to eat anymore." The number two is, what do you know of language perception stage? According to Warren P. 2013, the process of language perception or language understanding experienced by the human mind when receiving auditory input occurs in four main stages. The first is perception stage. The second is word recognition. The third is parsing stage, and the fourth is interpretation stage. Number three, to the best of your knowledge, is word recognition a complex process? Will explain your reason. Yes, according to the book, word recognition is a complex process. Three reasons is word recognition is a complex process. The first is word similarity. Many words sound very similar. The brain has difficulties distinguish between words that are slightly different. Simple example: the words sun, some, and such. These three words differ only in the sound of their final consonant. The second is speech variation. People vary greatly in how they speak. Speed, style, dialect. The brain must still recognize the same word even if it is pronounced differently. The third is continuous speech. When people speak, the sound of word flows continuously without any distinct pause. The brain must segment this long stream of sound into separate words in real time. For example, when people speak quickly, they don't pause at very word "I want to go now." Our ears receive one long stream of sound. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.